Hello, little friend. Fini and Fluffy are here and they're so happy to see you. Today's story is a little special, so find a cozy spot and let's begin.
Hello, Giggle friends. We're making something very special today.
A Giggleberry Pie! Do you want to bake it with us?
Yes! Swash our paws and begin. All clean and ready.
Now, to the Giggleberry cupboard! It's hiding a yummy surprise! Ta-da! It's our Giggleberry cupboard! Whoa! They're bouncing out like jelly beans!
Can you help us count these silly berries before they roll away?
Let's count! 1! Just one Giggleberry! 2 silly Giggleberries! 3! A berry stack! 4 Giggleberries on the move! 5 giggly friends! Phew! That's all 5 Giggleberries. Now let's make some magic.
Flour from the clouds, sugar from a snowdrop. Stir, stir, stir.
Let's sing the stirring rhyme. Round and giggle it goes. Stir the pie till the giggle grows. Now we add the Giggleberries. 1, 2, 3.
Did you hear that? The pie just giggled. Okay, friends, let's count to 10 while it bakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hee hee. And don't forget the secret ingredient, love and laughter.
It smells so yummy! Yummy! Here comes your slice.
Open wide.
You helped us make the most magical Giggleberry Pie ever!
We'll bake with you again soon.
Keep giggling and sharing, little chef. Baked with giggles, baked with you. Fini and Fluffy say thank you.